Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Asus Zenbook 14 OLED, a sleek and powerful ultra-portable that's been making waves in the laptop market. Stick around as we uncover everything you need to know about this beauty. First off, let's talk specs. Packed inside this slim chassis is an Intel Core Ultra 7155H processor. Paired with Intel Arc graphics, 32GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and a blazing fast 1TB M.2 NVMe PCIe 4 SSD. And let's not forget that gorgeous 14-inch OLED touchscreen display, boasting a resolution of 2880 x 1800. But enough about the specs, let's dive into the real-world performance. We put the Zenbook 14 through its paces with various tasks, from everyday productivity to demanding multimedia editing. And I've got to say, it handled everything like a champ. Boot times were lightning fast, multitasking was a breeze, and even heavy-duty tasks like video editing were handled with ease. Now, one thing to note is that under extended heavy loads, we did notice some thermal throttling. It's something to keep in mind if you're planning on pushing this laptop to its limits for extended periods. But for the average user, it shouldn't be a major concern. Next up, let's talk about that display. The OLED touchscreen on the Zenbook 14 is an absolute stunner. The colors are vibrant, the blacks are deep, and the level of detail is simply breathtaking. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows or getting creative with digital art, this display won't disappoint. But it's not just about performance and display quality. The Zenbook 14 also excels in the design department. With its sleek and slim profile, premium metal construction, and striking dark blue color, this laptop is sure to turn heads wherever you go. And despite its compact size, Asus has managed to pack in a decent selection of ports, including 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, HDMI, USB Type-A, and a headphone jack. Plus, it even comes with a stylus for those who like to get creative on the go. Now, no product is without its drawbacks, and the Zenbook 14 is no exception. While the keyboard is functional, some users may find it a bit mushy for their liking. And getting inside the laptop for upgrades or repairs can be a bit of a challenge, with soldered RAM and a tricky-to-open chassis. But overall, the Asus Zenbook 14 OLED offers a compelling package of performance, display quality, and design at a competitive price point. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a creative enthusiast, this laptop has something to offer. And that wraps up our review of the Asus Zenbook 14 OLED. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.